you can see, I am picking some French thyme from my garden. And I'm also gonna take a few spinach from my garden. So as you can see here, I'm cutting up the spinach. And there we go. I'm cutting up the French thyme. What are you doing? They're eating up the callaloo. Watch it. Alright, now that we're gonna start to put the ingredients in, I'm gonna show you what's going to be going into my pepper pot soup. So right here we have some pepper, callaloo, spinach on this side, some carrot, and potatoes with some garlic, and we're gonna put all of this in the pepper pot soup. Keep in mind, I just took out whatever I couldn't find for the pepper pot soup in my fridge. So this is how we're gonna make it. Okay, now we're gonna add 1 cup of water to the pot. I think we need 1 more cup. Alright, you know, let's add another cup. I think you need 1. Alright, now it's time to put all the ingredients in the pepper pot. Alright, so I did cut up the garlic a little bit more. And so we're just adding them in now. Alright, and now we're just, you know, mixing it, making sure we have. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Look like, yeah, a little bit more. Alright, so now we're gonna cover it and let it boil for a little bit. Alright, here we go. Let's put on the cover and we'll let it boil. And I forgot one more thing is the Maggi seasoning I never put in there. So now we're going to put in the Maggi seasoning. Just open it up and sprinkle it on top. I will add 1 more now. Kind of fresh. You might add some fish seasoning to it a little bit more. That should be enough. Okay, now we're going to make our spinners, aka Jamaican dumplings. So now I'm going to add the flour. Now add our salt. Alright, so I'm gonna keep adding the water until I get the right texture. look a bit like wet. Need to thicken it. Need to add more flour to it. Alright, so I'm just kind of get it to right so it can get right. We did have to add a lot more flour to it. So we're just trying to get the stickiness away. Alright, now we're gonna add the spinners to the pepper pot. Oof. Alright, try not to burn myself. There we go. Have a few more left. The baby spinner. The last one. Go. Well, I think my tahini pepper pot soup is ready. So I'm gonna serve it to my family for my Sunday dinner. Well, it tastes nice. Have a little pepper, salt, seasoning, everything like that. And I think I did well. And so yeah, that is how you make the tahini pepper pot soup.